Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming permission. Never try to access networks without consent. Once confirmed, open Telegram and pick the owner or admin. Say exactly what you need: the SSID and password, or better, a QR code or encrypted file. Make sure to request a secret chat or use end-to-end encryption. This protects the credential while in transit. After you send a clear request, pause and wait for the owner to prepare the credential to share securely. Once the owner prepares the login, they should generate a Wi-Fi QR on Android or take a clear screenshot of router settings, then send it. You can also receive a plain text password, but make sure special characters are spelled out. Say capital A at sign, so you enter it correctly. Make sure they use secret chat or attach the file as an encrypted document. Avoid posting in public groups. When you see the message, verify the SSID before using the credential. You now scan the QR code or type the SSID and password into your device. Make sure you match capitalization and any symbols. One wrong character will block connection. If it fails, forget the network, reboot your device, then re-enter the info manually. Once connected, test browsing to confirm. Finally, if this was a temporary share, ask the owner to set a guest password or rotate the credential later. If problems persist, contact the owner for a fresh screenshot or router reboot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.